Hey, girl. Happy Monday, y'all. Sorry I've been kind of MIA. I've been going through some personal and some medical issues. So I haven't been posting a whole lot. It's a lot trying to keep up with your personal life, your health, and then taking care of all these babies that definitely come before you. Hey, okay, and Skyler just being as rambunctious as ever. So I just figured I'd come and bless your Monday with a little bit of Skyler, which everybody loves. And she loves to show off. What you gotta say? Huh, Sky? She says, Mama, I just missed you. I missed. All right, girl. Who's the best girl, huh? All right, crazy. Look at crazy. Who's the best girl with the pink little nose? I'll start posting again daily. Just had to get my stuff together. But Skyler,